my favorite ways to prepare game meat is to throw it on the grill and serve it as is. And today, we're gonna be doing a chimichurri marinade for some pronghorn that my buddy Dylan Johnson of Johnson Brother Outfitters shot this year on his Arizona antelope hunt. For this recipe, we have 1 shallot, 3 cloves of garlic, some flat Italian parsley, oregano, cilantro, kosher salt, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and a red jalapeno pepper to give it a little bit of heat. So to start everything off, what you need to do is throw in all your herbs and spices into a bowl. And then we're gonna throw in some of our kosher salt. Once you've got it all nice and mixed up with a fork or a spatula, whatever you're using, we're gonna let this marry with the red wine vinegar and the olive oil. Now that the chimichurri's been sitting here for about 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and take our flat iron steaks here from our pronghorn. We're gonna place those flat on the bottom, and then we're gonna just set these little cutlets of backstrap right on top, just like that. Then we're gonna take some of our chimichurri sauce here, give it another stir. We're just gonna pour some of that sauce right over the top. Now, I didn't use all the kosher salt for this marinade because with the marinade, you don't want to throw all the kosher salt in there. One thing that's cool about the red wine vinegar in this marinade is it's actually gonna help break down the proteins and tenderize this meat, which flat iron steak and backstrap is already a tender piece of meat, so it's already gonna be good, but now it's just gonna be even better. Then we're gonna take the rest of the kosher salt, throw it in, mix up our chimichurri again, and we're gonna let this sit right here for later as a tabletop dish. Once you've got the marinade on top of your flat iron steaks or whatever piece of meat you're grilling up, you're gonna just seal it up in a glass bowl so it's nice and airtight. And you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours, and if you can, overnight is even better. Refrigerate the remaining marinade in an airtight container until you're ready to serve. When it's time to make the remaining marinade into a tabletop dish, simply add everything to a food processor and blend it until it's smooth. For the steak, you want to remove it from the fridge for at least 1 hour and let it set at room temperature before you grill it fast and furious. I like to keep my grill on high heat and give each piece a quick 1-minute sear on each side, and then I continue flipping it every 45 seconds until it's medium rare. You don't want to overcook this steak. Once it's done, remove the steak from the grill and let it rest in a foil tent for 5 to 10 minutes and then serve it with some fresh grilled tortillas or grilled naan bread. If you enjoy seeing recipes like this and want to see more, be sure to subscribe. If you've tried it or have suggestions for new recipes we should try, be sure to leave us a comment in the comment section below. Until next time, God bless and happy grilling.
Shape and bake. Shape and bake.
Spice and slice for everyone.
Spice and sliced pepperoni on my pizza, yes! Spice and sliced jerky, everyone's gonna love us.
It makes Grandma so proud.
Grandma Lemure's Spice and Slice wild game and ground meat seasoning kits are a product of Yavapai Exceptional Industries. Order yours today, spiceandslice.com.